fashion school.
What's up and welcome back, it's Jake.
Hi.
It's Friday, June 6th, 9 a.m. I went for a run, did grocery haul, whatever the fuck. I got back to New York last night at like 10 p.m. from
Dallas.
And today is very exciting. I came back from Dallas early because I got invited to go to GovBall, which is a music festival here in New York. I'm going with Armani Beauty, so I'm gonna take you along with me for that. They aren't sponsoring this video, but I'm doing a video with them, like a campaign with them as well. So I have to film that this morning before going to the festival. And then we're gonna go to the festival, have a great time, see the performances, see the sets, and then come home, and that'll be that. And then I'll take you for a weekend of my life.
Yeah.
I have this weird habit, not weird habit, I have this great habit of making sure I unpack everything that right when I get, like the second I get in my apartment, even if it's like midnight, because I don't want to do it the next morning. So I unpacked last night, everything's set and cool. I have to sell these clothes on Depop somehow, all of those. You guys, look at my groceries. Like I kind of ate with this Trader Joe's haul. I'm obsessed with Trader Joe's recently because it's cheap. But look, like my fridge is now stocked again.
Yay.
I'm so happy. I love a stocked fridge. I'm about to shower and get ready for my ad this morning, but this is my fit for the festival. I'm doing this tank top from, it's actually from Zara, and I wore it to the Louis Vuitton show last year. See. Anyway, that, and then these Skims pants that they sent me, they're like the perfect festival pant. I'm so excited to wear them. But for this morning, I think I'm gonna wear something, I don't know. I think I'm gonna do like a white jean.
I don't know yet.
I think like a white jean and a white shirt. Hi, I just got out of the shower. Ugh.
I love mornings.
I was kind of dreading coming back to New York because I was like, oh, I love having space and the city's just so cramped and like whatever. No, I missed it. I really missed it. I was running around this morning. God, you're foggy. Can you like chill? And I was running around this morning and then I was like, actually, I like it here. That's all. That's all I have to say. You guys, don't put cottage cheese in your smoothie. She's not good. She's not good.
I'm almost set.
Okay guys, I just got and picked up my packages from my package room. So let's open them and see what we got. Angelina's like 10 minutes away. Show it to me, Rachel.
But Dad, I want to go to fashion school.
Is this lighting bad? Yeah. My apartment's so dark and dim, I hate it. Anyway.
Thayers.
I love Thayers. They give me a toner, I think. There's two. Lay down. What is this? Facial mist with facial mist witch hazel unscented aloe vera formula. Period. Thank you. And then this is the same thing. Facial toner, witch hazel, aloe vera. You won't smell it, but you'll surely feel Thayer's unscented facial toner. Period. Next is, this is from Armani. I have two from them, and I'm guessing it is for today. Wait, hi Jake, we're so excited for you to join us at GovBall this week. Get excited for great music and a good time while you experience new Stronger With You parfum. See you soon, Cami, Nick, and your Armani Beauty family. Love you guys. There's two Stronger With You parfums. And then our wristbands. Wait, cute. Love. Thanks, Armani. My package room guy always knows when I'm out of town because I don't pick up packages for a while. So I walk in and he goes, where'd you go this time? I'm like, Texas. Whatever. Another Stronger With You. I have four now. Slay down. Where is this from? Oh, this is for another ad I'm doing. I can't show you this. Well, I don't know what this is. Let me get scissors. Because I haven't seen Angelina in so long, because I haven't seen her since before I went to LA. Oh, T, I can't show you this, but this is sick. Hi guys, Angelina's here.
Hello.
We just kikied for a little bit, and now we're gonna go film this, yeah. We're gonna go get coffee, run amok. Yeah, and then get changed for the festival. Okay, it's now like 2 p.m. We got lunch. What'd you get? Sushi?
I got sushi.
She got sushi. I got this wrap. And we're gonna munch and watch something, and then we're gonna get ready and go to the festival. We're trying to get there at around like 4 p.m. I think. 3:30, 4. We'll see the vibes and how busy it is. But we'll keep you updated. I can't bring my camera, so I'll have a video on my phone.
Do you like Queen?
Do I like what?
Queen, the band.
Who's that?
It's like an 80s band. They sing this song.
I don't even know what song this is.
Dude.
I gotta listen. I'm not good with like pop culture. We got ready. We're about to head out. You wanna talk him through your fit? Come on, fit check.
I'm wearing Zara boots.
Boots!
GovBall, dress. And Jake's sunglasses that make me look like a bug.
Like a bug. This is a Van Roy top, Skims pants, October editions thing, and then the shoes from the brand we don't talk about, but they just feel good. Bye! Okay, we're leaving. Tyler the Creator's on, but we saw Benson Boone. We saw Role Model. We want to find our Uber. First festival though, for me at least. Okay, you guys, it's now like 11 p.m. I just got home, showered. I had 3 rice cakes and I got ready for bed. My arm looks massive. Anyway, I'm gonna go to bed and I'm not gonna wake up until like 7. So I'm gonna sleep in and then I don't know what I have tomorrow. I just have a bunch of homework. I have an exam to take. I have a project due and 2 assignments. And then I have to edit that campaign I filmed today and some other stuff. Tomorrow's a work day, a work and relax day, a work and chill day. Festival was fun. It was my first music festival. It was a lot, but like, it was good. I really liked it, actually. Once I got in the groove of it, I like started to vibe, you know? But in the beginning, I was like, okay. Okay. And then I was like, oh, okay. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna go to bed. Bye. Hi you guys, happy Saturday. It's now like 9:10 in the morning. I slept in. After I hung up or said goodnight to you last night, I ended up ordering Taco Bell. Their chicken nuggets are good. Come for me, I don't care, they're good.
Hey Alana, what can I eat for a late night snack? Sleep, chew on your pillow.
Now I'm gonna get ready, go for a run, I think, and then come back or do some work. Ooh, see, my coffee's leaking. I took this cup from my parents' house because I thought it was aesthetic.
So I just threw it in my suitcase and brought it home.
Wait, let's GovBall debrief, recap. Yeah, that. It was really fun. Uphill battle. Sometimes I'm gonna have to lose. I finished my run. It was raining. Went to the store. Now walking back home, and then I'm gonna do a little ab workout, make breakfast, and then we'll bake something, and then start working. Hi, angels. We just walked in the door. Oh, put my shoes up. I'm trying to be really like disciplined about putting my stuff away right when I walk in the door, so that a mess doesn't accumulate. Well, my apartment looks like there's a bunch of messes, but there's not. I promise. Let me show you what I got from the store. And I got an Amazon package that I want to open, but I think it's just Nespresso pods. Package is wait, what is this? Oh my god, I ordered Amazon sunglasses. And then these are just like face wipes. I use a new one every day, or like every time I wash my face and like do my skincare, I just use a different one of these reusable wipes because I think that towels, even if you wash them, they're gonna accumulate dust and like bacteria. Then these glasses, let's see. Oh, these are not gonna fit my big head. Wait a minute. Baby, what was that? I don't see the point in spending a ton of money on sunglasses, to be completely honest.
Actually,
I say that as I have a bunch of designer pairs, but now that I'm like getting Amazon ones, I don't see the point. Okay, wait. How do they look? These are actually hot. I can't see out of them though. I don't know if they're like polarized or what's the deal. Oh, polarized test. Wait, how do I just see if I can?
wait, it's polarized.
I can see. I just can't see my camera screen. From the store, I got these adult calcium gummies. I don't know what they do. I don't know if I need them. I just love the taste of them. They're like candy. There's so much sugar in them though. Oh my god, how much? But they taste good. It's like Fort Knox getting into these gummies with all the packaging and wrappers they have. Now I have better calcium. And then this is the best protein powder. Don't come for me. It's the Orgain one. Save $2.
Yay.
In this economy, okay. Orgain, I like the vanilla. It's 21 grams plant protein. How many calories? What are the 150 calories for 21 grams of protein, 390 milligrams of sodium, a bit high, and then 15 grams carbs, 3.5 grams of fats. I don't know. It just tastes really good to me. I love this. You can find it in like all your stores though, I think. They're on the come up. I think it's really That was needed. Okay, and then I got more gummies. These are vitamin C. Thank God. I hate when the serving size for a gummy is 1. That's not any fun. They're in the shape of like little oranges. Okay, not as exciting to bite into as the calcium, but... And then I got pure protein bars. These are my favorite like go-to just protein bar in their flavors. If you heat them up for 5 seconds, it's like a brownie. So that's my dessert. And then white rice, and that's it. That's my haul. Okay, let's make breakfast. Let's make breakfast. You can't see me. We're making breakfast. Yes, you and me. 8 ounces of her, our little Orgain baddie. It's 12 o'clock. It feels earlier and later at the same time. I don't know, I'm confused. Try. Ooh, so good. Oh, it's like a milkshake. Some green pepper. I need to just do some editing, get some work done, and then maybe we'll regroup whenever I start baking, if I bake today.
What even is a melon?
Have you ever thought about that? Like, how does this come from a seed? Wait, isn't that insane? Like, just water makes melon. Wait, you guys, I just scarfed down my eggs and I forgot to record. It was like a minute, like not even a minute, like 30 seconds maybe. It's raining though, it's pouring again. It stopped for a little. You probably can't see, but just trust me. Hi, it's now 8 p.m. I just took my test and did all my schoolwork over there. I baked today. I baked cream puffs. They're in the fridge. And I baked those, and now I'm gonna make some chicken. Well, I'm gonna make the Trader Joe's chicken. It's like their orange chicken. I'm gonna make that for dinner because I'm not too hungry, so I'm just gonna have a few pieces of that. And then I'm probably gonna go to bed. I'm exhausted. I wanna get in bed. I'm going to Barry's tomorrow morning. And then just some more editing tomorrow. Nothing crazy, I don't think, right now. But other than that, today's been slow. Today, it's been raining all day, so I haven't left my apartment because I'm like, why do I want to go endure the rain when I don't have to? Oh wait, I don't. You're gonna hate me. I need the day to myself. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Good night. Oh. Hi, happy Sunday. My vitamin C. I have berries at 8:10 this morning. I'll probably leave here at like 7:30. Walk over there. It's only like 5:50 right now, not even 6, so we have time. I need to cut this fucking wristband off. Bye. You guys, I got some hot sauce last night by Zabs. It's like this brand. You've probably seen it in the store. It was actually really good. It wasn't overpowering the food, which I always worry about. That's my story. Okay, you guys, I'm like running so late. I was supposed to leave 10 minutes ago for berries. I got caught up editing a video in my bed and I like kind of zoned out, whatever. Anyway, Celsius, myself, we're good. Let's go. Bye. Guys, we're back from Barry's. Barry's killed me, but now I'm gonna make breakfast. I just edited a video, got it posted, so I'm gonna make breakfast and eat that, and then shower, change, get ready, and then we're gonna go chill in a cafe for a little bit, I'm guessing. But yeah, it's so nice outside. I just want to go sit outside and like read. Isn't that so cute? It looks so good. Ugh, I'm so proud of myself. I really just chefed up that bowl. Yum. Okay, I'm gonna munch. I have been laying in bed. I was just running through my planner because I'm trying to plan my next week, and I want to start using a planner again. Last year, I feel like I was so productive because I used a planner every day, and I kind of have fallen off that train since moving, so I'm getting back into it. This is it. It's buried under my blanket that I was laying under, but yeah. Yeah, but this is gonna conclude this vlog. Happy Monday that this is posted. I love you guys. Have an amazing week. Have a great week. Slay your week. Remember that you're loved by everybody, and people that don't love you are just likely jealous of you. So I'll leave you with that one, baby. Anyway, make sure to like, subscribe, comment, follow me for more, push the notification bell to always be updated when I post. I have a very exciting video coming out either later this week or early next, whenever I'm allowed to post it. I will be posting it. We're gonna start traveling here in a week and a half, going to Europe. I love you guys so much, and I couldn't be living this amazing life and having all this much fun and going to my first festival with Armani Beauty, doing any of it. I couldn't do it all. I couldn't do any of it without you. So I love you so much. Let me know what you want to see me film, bake, vlog, do, explore, try in New York, around the world. I don't know. I love you. Bye. That was the longest fucking outro. Ooh.